My name is Bodie.
Her name is Bodie. Hello everybody, thank you for tuning in for the Dance 365 for the Wee Clan Torrance Day 912 on a fabulous Friday. We are raising the energy every single day to create a better world. We are dancing, it is awesome. We invite you to dance along. We have just been organising our garden. It's very late at night. We're getting things moved out tomorrow over the course of the next week or so. This place is going to empty. And then we're going to empty. And we've got no idea where we're going next. So Dance 365 will be coming at you from an unknown location soon. Anyway, it's a Friday. We know where we are just now. We're dancing. If you see this video you like it, give it a thumbs up. Leave a friendly comment below. Bodie is here. It's all exciting, it's very late. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell if you want to be reminded to come and dance with us, and read the description box below if you want to learn lots more about us. There you go. Alright, subscribe, you do that.
The subscribe button is going to be right here, right now. Just hold my hands.
On you go. Go. Nightcore style firework.
Are you ready for the army?
Are you ready
Not yet.
for the army of toy animals? All right, let's do it. Let's have another dance tomorrow. Come join us. You know where we are. We'll see you then. Lots of love. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Have a great weekend. Happy Friday. Hello. Happy Friday energy from the Wee Clan Torrance on day 912 of Dance 365. Hello, buddy.
Uncle Joe's coming over tomorrow.
Uncle Joe's coming over tomorrow. That's so exciting. Excellent. We're getting the garden prepared to pack up. It's leaving tomorrow.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Hello. Right. Should we start this again?